HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. It is a standard markup language used to create and structure content on the World Wide Web. HTML provides a way to define the elements and structure of a web page, allowing you to organize and present information in a structured manner. Here's what you can do with HTML. 1. Create content structure. HTML allows you to create headings, paragraphs, lists, tables, forms, and more. You can organize your content hierarchically and semantically. 2. Insert text and media. You can insert text, images, videos, audio, and other types of media into your web pages. 3. Create links. HTML enables you to create hyperlinks that connect different web pages and resources. These links allow users to navigate between different parts of a website or to external sites. 4. Design forms. HTML lets you create forms for collecting user input, such as text fields, radio buttons, checkboxes, and submit buttons. This is commonly used for things like contact forms and user registrations. 5. Display data in tables. You can use HTML to create tables for displaying tabular data in a structured format. 6. Provides semantic information. HTML offers semantic elements that describe the type of content they contain. For instance, using --, and --, tags helps search engines and accessibility tools understand the content's context and importance. 7. Embed multimedia. You can embed multimedia content like videos and audio files from various sources using HTML. 8. Structural markup. HTML provides the basic structure of a web page, including the document's head, metadata, and body, visible content. 9. Web accessibility. Properly structured HTML is essential for creating accessible web content that can be understood by people with disabilities, such as screen readers for the visually impaired. HTML is used in various contexts, including web development. HTML is the foundation of web development. Every web page you see is built using HTML, often in combination with CSS for styling and JavaScript for interactivity. Websites and web applications. Websites of all kinds, from simple blogs to complex e-commerce platforms, are created using HTML. Emails. HTML is used to structure and design emails, allowing for more visually appealing and interactive email content. Online documentation. Many online documentation and help resources are presented using HTML. E-learning platforms. E-learning platforms and educational websites use HTML to structure and present course content. Web-based documents. Online articles, reports, and other forms of digital content often utilize HTML for formatting and presentation. In summary, HTML is a fundamental language for building web content, providing structure and organization to the information displayed on websites and web applications.